Hey guys, it's Cringy here. Today we're gonna do a food review from Adabui Ado Guileless, I think it is. We're gonna review their green chip. So we're just gonna get we're just gonna get some salt on this. This is not Corona Extra or Coronita, as they say down south. Let's just get some heart attacks on here. I dare you! I'm gonna spit on you. Like a cobra. Alright, so let's take a bite. First thing I noticed is it's green. Okay, we're not gonna do this because I'm weak. Alright. So it's, okay, nice crack.
Boy, they have burgers. Can I have one?
This video is sponsored by Stabbing Machine.
Right.
I've never heard of it.
Alright, this is pretty good. Now let's try what they call chips in England. Tastes like a stick. Let's wash it down with our own saliva. Chinese and margarita, and I am not under the age. I'm just a midget.
It's not alcoholic.
Hey,
You're white, Chris!